How to disable now playing view on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how you can disable now playing view on Spotify. You can simply click on cross icon to get rid of it, but that is only a temporary solution. Every time you play a new song, it will appear again. So in order to get rid of it permanently, you can follow each step as shown by the tutorial. Firstly, click on the profile icon and in the drop-down menu, click on the option that says Settings. It will direct you to the settings of your Spotify account. Now scroll down and under the display section, you will see the first option that says Show the now playing panel on click of play. Just turn it off and now playing view on Spotify will be disabled on your Spotify account. And that's it. This is how easily on this simple step you can disable now playing view on Spotify. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.